Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Fashion Friday. Here's a quick little overview of the video I have in store for you guys today, which is a closet tour. A few of you have requested this video in the past when I have filmed my Fashion Friday videos in here. So that's what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoy it and let's get on with the closet tour. Okay guys, I'm on the opposite side of the closet just so you guys can get kind of like a view of how it is from that side on the door, because I was only going to show you guys this side. This side is all Babe's side of clothing, and then the top is my shoes and the bottom are Babe's shoes, and then we just have extra shoes up top and my computer box, and that's that with that side. So I'm going to move on to show you guys this side. So right here, this is in the entrance of the door of the closet. I have my backpacks and they're just on there with little tacks. Then my trash can down there. But yeah, these are, I just realized that I do actually have a lot of black backpacks because I always seem to want more black ones. But these are the ones I have, and I have them here because I use these pretty often, I would say. And then we move over on this side. This is from IKEA. I don't really remember the name of it, but this is where we have all our things that we use often, and this is pretty functional for us. I really like it. I like how it is now. It has definitely gone through a lot of changes. So I'll just go over really quickly. I have some, obviously, you guys know I'm obsessed with these. So I just put these up here. I hope it's focused. There we go. So I just have these up here. This one says be your own kind of beautiful. Hashtag mood fancy. And the best accessory a girl can own is confidence. And then I have a little Bath & Body Works candle. This is actually my favorite scent, which is mahogany teak wood, and this is a high intensity. Smells so good. And then this little holder is from Bath & Body Works as well. So right here in this first cube is my little skincare cube, and this is one of the little acrylic organizers that I have showed you guys that I bought from Amazon. I will link it down below. This is my favorite acrylic organizer, ever. I have 3 more, and those contain makeup, which those are in my makeup area. But right here I have all of my skincare, masks, all of that stuff. And then this is just my little brush skincare thing to brush my face. No, my little brush to clean my face. Right here I have like some little towels. And in this little cute box, I've had this box forever, like years and years. And I just don't get rid of it because I've had it for so long, since I was young. And it just brings a lot of memories. I used to store like cards and stuff that my girlfriend used to give me back when we started dating. And now I just have it for feminine products. So that's what's in there. And then down here is all nail polish in the little container. And there's extra hair products. I have another one of these. Believe in the very best version of yourself. And the last cube on this side, I have a lot of adult coloring books. So I love coloring. There's pens in there as well, gel pens, markers, all of that. And there's just a bunch of books in there. Down here is all extra stuff, things that I don't need. This is actually Babe's. Right here, just have towels. I personally love to roll my towels like this. I feel like it looks the best. And then right here is all like just medicine products, I would say, or yeah, medicine products, band-aids, Midol, Neosporin, all of that stuff, emergency, all of that is just really organized. I feel like it looks super cute, organized. And I don't have kids, so don't worry that things are out of the packaging. Then up here, this is, I would say, our most used little cube, and it has all of our hair products and stuff like that. Babe's gel, lotion, hairspray, dry shampoo, brushes back there. This little container has all of our like hair ties. The top one's Babe's. This one's mine, and this one's Babe's, just little hair ties, little plastic ones. And yeah, that's what we have there. So here's another overview. And then right here in that little crack, we have our collapsible laundry basket, which is the best thing I feel like I have ever purchased in my life. It fits so perfectly there. I love it so much, and it's just so practical that it's out of the way, kind of out of sight, I would say, because we have a cute clothes hamper. I don't like the plastic ones anymore ever since I bought this. No one can see your dirty clothes. No one can see if your dirty clothes is, you know, whatever it is, no one can see it because it's in here. It has a lid and it's just perfect. Literally love that. It makes the room look even nicer because you can't see the dirty clothes. Of course, I could put it in this little corner, but since it's not ugly and, you know, nobody can see anything, I have it here because then this space just looks really empty. And right there, I just have, I don't know if you guys can see down there, I have my backdrop stand in its packaging. When I'm not using it, I have it in its like designated bag area. So yeah. Now this is my clothes dresser. I am not going to show myself. I have a mirror, a big mirror right here. I'm not going to show myself because I look like a little troll and I am, you know, just looking a little rough. So I have this little tray. It was actually a gift. It's kind of like a gray and black marble tray, and I decided to use it to put all our perfumes. Babe's are on this side, mine are on this side, and then as you go along, I just have a lot of my products. This watch Babe gave me. I have my rings on this little ring holder that I got at Ross. Again, another of the best purchases I've ever made. Then I have my little collection of Jaclyn Hill sunglasses. It has the sunglasses and it has another pair of key sunglasses. So these are the ones from Jaclyn. I have the little chain too from her collection. And this is just another pair of sunglasses. This is the best thing ever invented, honestly. Especially like if you go on a trip or, you know, in the summer, you take a vacation to the beach or whatever. You can take 4 different pairs of sunglasses and you won't, you know, run the risk of breaking them or whatever. These are the ones that I'm currently using right now, and I like to keep them in the little pouch that her collection of sunglasses came with. Then I have my little instant camera in a little cute clear pink bag. And then we go over to this corner, which I have my jewelry. So this thing was also a gift, this tray. Although it did rust really quick, I actually wanted or have been wanting to paint this like a different color. I was thinking of doing black because we have like a black spray paint. So I was thinking of doing that. Still, as you can see, I haven't gotten around to doing it. But this is where I have my jewelry, this little stand. I think it's like for bracelets or something. I use it for all my hoops. This little section right here, these are bracelets. These are some more hoops. All of these are hoops. This whole row, hoops. Clearly you can see I'm obsessed with hoops. And then up here I have all of my chokers. I used to be obsessed with chokers, I would say maybe last year, which is when they were super, super popular. But since then I have stopped wearing them, but these are still my favorite and I keep them because I always say, oh, I might want to put on a choker one day. You know, us girls. In this corner, I have this canvas that says glitter makes me happy, and that is so true. And the background of it is kind of like marble. And then once we turn over to this side, I have my main wall, I would say. When you come in the closet, this is what you see. Like this area, don't mind the top, but this is what you see. And these 3 canvases are from Burlington. That's where I bought them a while ago. Sometimes they still have them. I've seen this one right here more frequently here and there at Burlington. And this style too. This one, I honestly never saw it again. And this one's kind of like my favorite. I love the rainbow color of it. You know, all the different little squares that are a different color. And then this little section that you guys see right here, I have my jewelry. Or other jewelry like I do over here on this Pixie box. This was a PR package, and it's, you know, kind of like my first PR packages from Pixie that I really wanted to keep. And I just have some more earrings on here. These are like my lipstick earrings and big earrings like that, as I do have them on this side as well. This is my little Aldo necklace set that I love, and I don't want to ruin it, so I keep it right there. And then I have all my other big earrings. Now over on this side is my clothing area. Like I showed you guys, Babes is this side. Mine is this side. And I do have it, I would say, fairly color coordinated. Except like this back part is honestly, it's my jackets, and I don't want to put them like in the middle with the yellow or the orange, just because they're like really big and like bulky and heavy. So I have them towards the back, which doesn't really matter. And then the black section starts. We move on to gray, olive, or yeah, olive green, white, red. I don't really have a lot of red, but I noticed that I have 3 things that have red on them, and one recently I bought is super red. And then we go on to burgundy and like cranberry or berry shades, which you can see are kind of my favorite. Then we just have one pink top, like hot pink. We go to orange, like rusty orange, and then we go to mauve shades, pinky mauve shades, and then kind of like neutral, like tan, nude. And then another of my favorites is yellow, as you can see. Love it. And then recently, these are new, like kind of green, teal, blue, those kind of shades right here. Now this was also already built in, so these shelves that are all across the room were already built in. Now that's the only thing that I don't like the look of. I would say this side is okay because everything is inside something and in its designated area. Over here I just have a lot of board games and stuff like that. And then these are like, the back one is my beach bag, and the front one is like my travel bag where I carry all my toiletries and makeup and stuff like that. And then I have my purses, some of them up here. And then you go down, and in these little cubes I have more purses. Down there are like old purses that are Hello Kitty, and I used to be so obsessed with Hello Kitty, which is why I still have those. One I think is like a leopard one, and the other one is either a purple or a black one from the Hello Kitty embossed collection that they had back in the day. I used to love them, and I had a lot of them. I sold a lot of them too after I stopped using them, but those I just wanted to keep them as memory. And then right here I have one of my like more nice backpacks that I like to take care of. It's my Aldo sparkly bag. And now up here I have this little box right there with different wallets. And then these are all like little clutches, or yeah, little small bags. This one says I woke up like this, glam AF, and then wallets in there. My current bag that I'm using, and my favorite bag, is this yellow clear one, and I actually got it at Ross. And then up here, another one of my favorites. This one was a Christmas gift, and it's an Aldo purse. Really cute. And sorry if the camera is a little shaky. I'm really trying my best to not be so shaky. So that's basically it. Honestly, for the top, what I would tell you guys is that I want to do like a better organization. I would like to buy some of these crates or something like this to put the games in so they are not like visible. And it'll make it look nicer, cuter, you know, a little bit more put together. So let me know if you guys would like to see an updated video once I do that, or, you know, an organization video, because there's a lot of things that I will organize differently and I would like to change from the top only, because the rest, I would say I'm very happy with how it looks, and I'm finally happy with how the closet is looking. And I mean, it's cute, it's functional, which is very important as well. Not just to have a cute closet, because if it's not functional, then it's honestly kind of no point in having just a cute closet just for looks. So definitely, I would say my closet is very functional, not only for me, but for Babe as well. So yeah, let me know. Oh, did you guys just catch a sneak peek of my trollness? I am in my PJs and my favorite Powerpuff Girls shirt. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Fashion Friday and you enjoyed a little look into my closet. Let me know if you guys like the look of it. And yeah, I appreciate all your support. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Fashion Friday, which I think I just said that. Anyways, like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.